LanguageMasters is a great school. I've been studying German for the last year and a half in this school. We learn in small groups. We are 4 or 5 students in a group. We are within the same team, which kind of indicates the atmosphere within the team. We have a great teacher, Andrea. We really like her. She's the best. We really feel like our German is improving, and we are feeling it's an open and friendly atmosphere, so everyone can ask questions freely. This location is super close to my work. It's 10 minutes walk, so after studying I'm going back to work. I study mainly for my own interest. I don't really need German on my day-to-day, so I feel like I'm getting the support that I need. This is my only place for practicing German. So I think that the teacher is helping me a lot, and as time goes by I feel more confident to speak out and actually interact in German. I would highly recommend this school for everyone that wants to learn any language.